Looking for the best camera microscope in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best camera microscope available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The 13MP VGA video microscope camera is an excellent tool for professional phone repair and precision electronics work. Its 1080p high-definition output delivers crystal-clear imaging, making it easy to inspect tiny components, solder joints, and circuit boards. The 1-130x C-mount zoom lens offers outstanding flexibility for both close-up detail work and wider viewing. The brightness-adjustable LED light ensures clear visibility in various working conditions, reducing eye strain during long repair sessions. With its big vision field and smooth magnification adjustment, it provides accurate and efficient inspection. Durable, reliable, and easy to set up, this microscope camera is a great investment for technicians, repair shops, and electronics enthusiasts. Number 4. The Have 7-foot digital microscope 1200X is a powerful and practical tool for soldering, phone repair, and detailed electronic inspections. Featuring a 12MP HD camera, it delivers sharp and vibrant images, making it easy to view tiny components with precision. The 7-inch large display provides a comfortable viewing experience, reducing eye strain during extended use. Its 1200x zoom capability allows excellent close-up detail, ideal for PCB repair and microsoldering tasks. The adjustable stand ensures stability and flexibility while working. Easy to operate and highly efficient, this microscope is a great choice for technicians, hobbyists, and repair professionals seeking accuracy and convenience. Number 3. The Ejon 60MP/48MP 4K electronic digital microscope is an impressive tool designed for professional soldering, PCB inspection, and industrial repair tasks. Its ultra-clear 4K imaging and high-resolution 60MP/48MP camera deliver exceptional detail, making small components easy to inspect. The 1080p HDMI, VGA, and USB outputs provide flexible connectivity for monitors and computers. Equipped with a powerful 150x lens, foldable bracket, and remote control, it offers precise positioning and convenient operation. The stable design ensures smooth workflow during delicate repair jobs. Perfect for phone repair technicians and electronics enthusiasts, this microscope combines advanced performance, versatility, and reliability for accurate inspection work. Number 2. The 48MP 4K digital video monocular microscope camera is a reliable tool for phone and PCB soldering repair. With sharp 4K and 1080p output, it delivers clear, detailed visuals for precision work. The 130x zoom C-mount lens offers excellent magnification, while HDMI and USB connectivity ensure easy display on monitors or PCs. Its stable performance and clear imaging make it ideal for technicians and electronics repair professionals. A practical and efficient inspection solution. Number 1. The NicePower 48MP 4K digital microscope is an excellent choice for industrial inspection, PCB soldering, and quality control tasks. Its ultra-high-resolution 48MP camera delivers crisp 4K imaging, allowing users to inspect even the smallest components with exceptional clarity. The 150x lens provides precise magnification, making it ideal for detailed electronics repair and soldering work. HDMI and USB connectivity offer flexible display options for monitors and computers, ensuring a smooth workflow. Built for reliability and accuracy, it delivers stable performance during extended use. With sharp image quality, easy operation, and professional-grade features, this microscope is a valuable tool for technicians, engineers, and repair professionals.